Comprehensive boat deck chairs comparison. Boat deck chairs are an essential accessory for anyone who enjoys spending time on the water. Whether you're fishing, cruising, or simply relaxing, a high-quality deck chair can significantly enhance your comfort and overall experience. In this comparison, we evaluated 5 popular models across different price points and brands, focusing on factors like durability, comfort, portability. List number: the C-Choice High-Back Canvas Folding Chair is a budget-friendly option designed for casual boaters. Its lightweight anodized aluminum frame and double-leg construction provide adequate support, while the canvas material ensures breathability. The handy storage pouch on the back is a thoughtful addition for stowing magazines or small items. The varnished armrests add a touch of elegance to the otherwise utilitarian design. In terms of performance, this chair is best suited for light use. While the lightweight frame makes it easy to carry, it may not be robust enough for rough conditions or heavier users. The chair supports up to 150 kilograms, but its comfort level is average, with limited padding and no reclining options. It's an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize portability over luxury. List 2. The Forma Marine High-Back Navy Blue Deck Chair is a premium offering that combines luxury and durability. Made in Greece with marine-grade materials, it features a 1-inch anodized aluminum frame, stainless steel hardware, and aviation-grade rivets, ensuring excellent resistance to corrosive environments. The Rec-Acryl fabric is both washable and replaceable, making maintenance a breeze. The inclusion of smooth, rounded teak armrests adds a touch of sophistication. This chair excels in comfort and performance, with elastic cords that absorb vibrations and waves, making it ideal for long boating trips. Each chair weighs only 8 pounds, folds flat for easy storage, and comes with anti-skid leg tips to protect your deck. While the price is steep, the set of 2 chairs offers. List 3. The C-Choice Folding Deck Chair in White Marine Vinyl is a mid-range option that emphasizes durability and ease of maintenance. The UV-resistant vinyl covering ensures that the chair withstands exposure to sunlight, while the anodized aluminum frame is both lightweight and sturdy. The open-position locking device adds an extra layer of safety during use. This chair is highly versatile, supporting up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The padded seat, back, and armrests provide decent comfort, although the vinyl material may feel less breathable in hot conditions. It's a reliable choice for those who need a durable chair that can handle frequent use. List 4. The Forma Marine High-Back Navy Blue Deck Chair strikes a balance between premium features and affordability. Like its higher-priced sibling, this chair is crafted with anodized aluminum, stainless steel hardware, and Rec-Acryl fabric. The 23-inch high back and elastic cords ensure a comfortable seating experience, even in choppy waters. This chair is ideal for boaters who want premium quality without the premium price tag. At just 8 pounds, it's easy to carry and store, and the anti-skid leg tips protect your deck from scratches. Its durability and comfort make it a great investment for regular use. List 5. The Forma Marine White Vinyl Mesh Deck Chair Set is designed for those who value simplicity and functionality. The chairs feature a sturdy anodized aluminum frame and a breathable mesh fabric that is easy to clean. The 18.9-inch high back provides adequate support, while the plastic armrests prioritize practicality over aesthetics. This set is perfect for casual boaters who need lightweight, easy-to-store chairs. While the mesh fabric offers excellent ventilation, it may not feel as luxurious as the Rec-Acryl material used in other Forma Marine models. However, the chair's overall durability and ease of maintenance make them a practical choice for everyday use.